Yeah, what's up, guys? Very quick, I'm gonna be giving you a quick update on the crypto market. Okay, so this is the Fear and Greed Index, as you can see right here on the screen. Currently, we are in an extreme fear mode. So you can see this is 11%, and the dot is on the red line, so which signifies that there is extreme fear in the market. Okay, so and right now a lot of people, they've actually panicked and sell, okay, their coins, and the people who are even interested in buying are scared, are skeptical, because they don't even know if the price will keep going down. So I've decided to give you guys an update, which is actually going to help you guys to make a better decision. So in case you are thinking about investing, buying a particular crypto coin, okay, so first and first, let's look at the Bitcoin chart. This is the monthly time frame, and as you can see from the monthly time frame, Bitcoin is actually sitting on a very strong support level. Okay, so and if you observe, okay, you find out that Bitcoin has been around this 60 to $70,000 range for weeks now. Okay, so and with this strong support level, okay, if we check the lower time frame, okay, I'm going to show you guys something. Okay, so if Bitcoin actually holds this level, okay, the price is actually gonna skyrocket like crazy. Okay, so but if this support level doesn't hold, okay, so we should know that there's definitely gonna be a free fall. Okay, so like 50% of this. All right, so we should be expecting Bitcoin to get like $30,000 if the price breaks below this support level. All right, so let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, and let me show you quickly what you should look out for, okay, in case you want to start investing, buying right now. Okay, so this is the lower time frame, H4, the 4-hour time frame. So we have a lower high right here. Okay, and if price can break above these highs right here, okay, then there is a certainty that the price will skyrocket. Okay, so all you just have to do is to wait for the pullback or the retest, and you buy and just wait for the price to keep pumping. Okay, so and also if you check the ETF, I think institutions are beginning to step in. Okay, so Bitcoin ETF and Ethereum ETF. So and for as long as institutions keep buying, the price will definitely start pumping like crazy. Okay, so and don't forget, Bitcoin actually dictates what happens to altcoins. So if Bitcoin is not performing well, you're not going to expect altcoins to perform well. All right, so then Ethereum is the major let's say the king of altcoins. You understand? So let's say Ethereum was able to break above what's it called, its previous all-time high price, then we would have experienced massive altcoin season. Okay, so but if you look at the chart, there is no break of structure right here. So ETH does not break above the previous all-time high price. So as you can see, it got there and boom, started dumping. Okay, so but if Bitcoin price start going up now and eventually ETH break above what's it called, the previous all-time high price, okay, right here, so there is guarantee, certainty that we are going to have altcoin season, and altcoins we you know we perform very well, because a lot of people will be looking for alternatives. Once they see that Ethereum price is pumping, they will be looking for alternative. That's how this works. Okay, so if one coin pumps, okay, some people will take profit and they'll look for alternative and buy the alternative. And if that one pumps, they make a lot of profit, they take their profit, and so it keeps on rotating like that. So that's exactly how it is. So I really hope you are able to get one or two things in this video. Okay, so if you have any questions, okay, your observation, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. So just keep watching, watch out, okay, for the next video update. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.